Hi there, Creative Sarah here. We got another Dollar Tree DIY. We're using a stretched canvas and a styrofoam pumpkin. So first we're gonna take the canvas off of the frame, and I'm just slitting the canvas around the staples. Some people take the staples out. I don't think you need to. Next, I'm staining the frame. So very simple, just go around, stain it in a dark brown, cut the canvas so that it fits the back of the frame, and I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna put the off-white side out so that we see the off-white side. I stapled that to the back, and then I cut my pumpkin in half, and I'm just going to straighten that back side so that it is flat so I can glue it to my canvas. Then I'm gonna paint with some chalked paint. I went ahead and did 2 layers on this, and it had great coverage. Next, I'm hot gluing this to the canvas. And then I've got some fall foliage. And these are from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue those on there. I've got a few florals. Some of those came from Amazon, some of them came from Dollar Tree. And I am just sticking them into the styrofoam. If you love this video and you'd like to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I will send you a message with the link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. I made a cute little messy bow out of some strips of ribbon, and I added a tumbling tower block for the stalk. You guys, if you love this, go ahead and like and follow for more decor.